The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today I'm coming with my second paycheck for the month of May. Let's get started, y'all. I am gonna start off with my cash envelopes. So we have a little left over in groceries. I feel like lately I've been getting a lot of 5s and 1s, so I'm just gonna take this out and put it to the side. For groceries, also in my personal, I know I said I was just gonna let personal roll over, but like these are just some 1s and these can go into my savings challenge. And then gas is empty, and then these are my coins that I have left over. I just empty these every week. And in here are receipts, y'all. I have been obsessed with the app Fetch Rewards as of lately. If you don't know what Fetch Reward is, it is basically an app that gives you points and you can redeem through Amazon, Starbucks. They had me at Starbucks, y'all. Like literally my first day scanning all my receipts, I was able to get a $5 gift card for Starbucks. And what? Can I have me a iced caramel macchiato, please? Thank you, period. So if you're interested, I will leave my referral link down below. I think when you sign up, you get 2,000 or 3,000 points. I'm not exactly sure, and I think I get the same. We get the equal amount, so definitely check it out. What I do, I just save my receipt and make one big scan at the end of the week. So these I need to scan, but like I said, it is, listen, you can get airlines. I see Delta Airlines on the First Rewards, like I said, Starbucks, Amazon, Target, like period, honey. Like we outside, we need all the extra coins we can get, so definitely check it out. Link will be in the description box. All right, y'all, let's get started with groceries. Groceries is getting $125. We have 120 and a 5. So 125. Next is personal, and personal gets 75. So a 50, a 20, and a 5. Personal, 50, 70, 75 for personal. I feel like I need to up personal a little bit, to be honest, because like I be blowing through this like nothing, y'all. I be blowing through personal, so I feel like I need to up personal a little bit, but we'll see. And gas, as usual, gets 40. 2 20s. I'm gonna be outside this weekend, y'all.
Hello? Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
Outside, period. So I might need more money for gas, but we gonna see. We outside. It's the weekend, a long weekend, Memorial Day weekend. We outside, period. All right, so and then I said that miscellaneous, put 20 just as like if I need extra gas or something. I don't know, I can't find my miscellaneous one, so I'm just gonna tuck it here in gas. So here we are. That's our cash envelopes. So in total we stuffed 260. All right, y'all, so let's go to my favorite thing, which are my sinking funds. So let me open up this binder and let's get started. So for car maintenance is gonna get a 20. But let's take out and see how much we have. I didn't update my trackers yet, so don't pay attention to that. So car maintenance gets a 20. So for car maintenance we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 220. So we have 220 for car maintenance. So we have 220 for car maintenance. Travel today is getting 60. I really want to like rack this back up, and I think for travel I did a 50 and a 10. Pretty sure that's what I did. For travel we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, and 140. So travel has 140. Emergency fund is getting its usual 40. Just 220. Emergency fund has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, and 390. So emergency fund has 390. All right, debt snowball. Y'all, I am so excited. I'm literally almost like, the only payments that I have left now are my car and my student loans. Like, I am so happy. I'm getting rid of all these credit card debt, and I just love it. I just love this for me, like, period. Debt snowball should be 401, 2, 3, and 4. And I empty my debt snowball every month if you're new here, and just make one payment towards any debt. So debt snowball has 400. Right, next is room decor. Room decor is getting a 10. So room decor is getting a 10. Y'all, I'm thinking about redesigning my envelopes. Yeah, I'm getting bored. I feel like I just need to do some new stuff, so we'll see. All right, so for room we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So room has 100. Christmas is getting its usual 5. Like I said, I'll just start stacking this like probably after the summer or in the summertime. I don't know. All right, so Christmas has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That's like one present. But you know, Jamaican be like one cocoa full basket, period. Translation, it just means little by little you'll get there, basically. All right, so Christmas had, what did I say, 60? All right, medical gets 10. So I'm putting a little extra in medical just because I went to the doctor. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. So medical has 70. All right, birthday is getting a 5. All right, so birthday has 5, 10, 15. I feel like I've used this one the most. Yeah, I think I said it in my last video where I just never paid attention to how close people's birthdays were. So birthday gets 15. Next is our 10K challenge, which is coming right along. I feel like I'm gonna stop counting this, y'all, and just count it at my monthly closeout, because I want to like be excited and trying to think about how much I have. Anyway, 10K gets 385, so it gets a 300, 50, 70, 80, and a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 50, 70, 80, 85. Now I did take out 1,000 out of here and put it in a bank. I just need to put a 1K slip in, and I'll do that in my closeout. But yeah, so actually let me get a 1K slip right now so I don't get confused when I'm counting. So let's just put it in there, because like I said, it's in the bank. The envelope was just getting too full for me, and I just couldn't be bothered, so I just took it out. All right, so 10K has 1, 2, 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 8, 859, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. So that's 4,000. That is so good. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So $4,085. $4,085. I'll condense this a little bit more in my closeout video for the month. Alright, then lastly, I did get paid from YouTube, but I used the majority of my YouTube money to like put back into my YouTube. So I ordered some like tech stuff and everything like that. So I'm only gonna stuff $100. YouTube has 1,000, 1,050, 1,100, 21, 2. So $1,122 for YouTube. So 1,122 for YouTube. Now we have some money left. Oh, I have an extra 100 and I don't know where it came from. I double checked all my envelopes and I guess I just pulled an extra 100. So I'm just gonna put it to the side so that I can put it back into the bank. But I have 150 left that I actually want to stuff. So let me just take it down to my savings challenge tracker. Now this is what I use. I feel like I never show it because it's just for my, like, you know, but this is my 10K challenge tracker. Basically I have it numbered 1 through 26 because I do get paid bi-weekly, and then I add up how much money I should have every paycheck when I stuff it, and then I put the date and I put a check when I have completed it. If you've been following my journey, you know that I've just been stuffing since February. So I got started with my 10K a little later. So I got started, I didn't stuff for the month of January. So sometimes when I get extra money, I'll just put more into it. So the remaining that I needed to add to the 10K was 150, and that's why I have this minus 150 to make up for my first paycheck in January. So this is the 150. So now I am all the way up to date. So I can go ahead and erase this 150. And I can give myself a check because that is finally done. And we're all the way down here. All right, y'all, my bad if the angle changed a little bit. My camera was tipping over. But right now, like I said, we're all the way down here at May 28th. So for May 28th, I should have, I don't know if y'all are seeing this, so let me zoom in. I should have 4,235, which I should have. So let's see when I add this 150. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 859, 950, 1,000. So this is 4,000, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 180, 190, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yes, I do. $4,235. Feels so good to be caught up, sis. Period. Okay, so finally caught up on this. It feels so good, y'all. I'm paying off debt. I'm getting caught up with my savings. Everything is just great. All right, y'all, so remember the money that I took out in the beginning. I'm just gonna organize them really quickly and show you what I do with them. All right, so these are all 1s and 5s. I have a $1 challenge and a $5 challenge. So the 5s go here. So I was able to save 4 5s this week. And then my $1 envelope is literally stuffed. So let's try and get it in there. I really need to do something about this. Just get a bigger, I saw some bigger ones on a website, and I even thought about just getting a Ziploc bag. Like, who you know got a Ziploc bag for anything. All right, the 5 and a $1 challenge is just literally something fun and exciting to help you save, and I'm just excited to see how much I accumulate throughout the year. All right, y'all, so before you go, I wanted to show you that I opened up an Etsy shop just to sell my budgeting sheet. If you ordered from me, you know you had to like email me or you had to go through Instagram, but now I just made it easy. You don't have to like go through me at all because I'm horrible with my DMs and everything like that. So this is just a sample of what you get. It's called the BrightAsDae budgeting bundle. It's so cute. I know it's kind of pinkish. I am gonna work on different designs just because people probably not into like the girly stuff. So in here you get a bill tracker, the one that I use to like, I don't really do this part on my channel, but like this is where I get paid. I break down my bills and all my expenses. Then I have the cash breakdown that you'll see how many bills you need, and then I have the teller slips that you will get to bring to the bank. It's duplicate, so when you print one sheet you can just cut it all out. And then lastly I have the sinking funds tracker. So check your girl out. The link will be in the description box. Appreciate you, y'all. Happy budgeting, and I'll see y'all in my closeout for May. Bye, y'all.